Yeah. Hello, everyone. So this is a social media kind of app. Here you can post text and a video, pretty much same as a basic social media kind of app. Here you can search for the user, see their respective post. You can like those posts. Okay. So let me overview this app. This is the landing page. On the left hand bottom corner, you can see some codes over here. These codes are some randomly generated codes. Every time you refresh the page or every time you open this website, the codes have changed. Okay, so see, as I'm refreshing the page, the codes are changing. On the right hand side, you can see I have a logo. I named this app as a meet and greet. It has a sign up and login button and a let me explore button. So if you have already logged in a login, you just directly go for the login. And if you don't have any account, you have to sign up. So let me sign up first. Okay. So let's create a user named as rohit.sharma@gmail.com and have a password as this. Sign up. Okay. So after sign up, you can see this is the profile page. It has 3 sections. On the left hand side, there is a place for uploading an image, a place for added description, a place shows a number of posts and a number of likes you have. On the right hand side, you can see a side nav bar which has some functionalities button. Okay, these are some functionality. I will tell you these functionality later. First, let me upload an image. So I'm uploading this image from my local drive. Uh, let me have a Rohit Sharma over here. So this is a Rohit Sharma. Yeah, you can crop this image as you like. Now you can see the image come up here. Okay, let me add it a description. So it says, hey, I am hey, I am Rohit Sharma. So his description is updated. Now it says, hey, I'm Rohit Sharma. It shows a 0 post and 0 likes because this person has any post. So let me create a post first. Hello there. Now you can see the post come up here. You can like this post or you can delete this post. Let me first show you the delete functionality. On clicking on this cross button, this post has been deleted. Yeah, the post is now gone. So for demo purpose, I have to create another post. Hello again. Hello again. Okay, now it shows a one post because this person has one post, 0 likes because it do not have any like. Now as soon as I click on this heart button, now it shows a one like. Let me refresh. Yeah, now it shows a one like also. It has one post and one like, one post and one like. You can also post Google. You can also post a YouTube video. Let me show you. First, let me give up a text YouTube and just directly paste a link over here and post. Now you can see that the video come up here. Now you can like this post or you want to delete that post, and I'm liking this post as this. So yeah, this is the basic functionality I have on this profile page. So now if you want to see some users and their respective post, you just directly go for this explore button. Now this will show all the users that has been added till now in my database, in our database. You can see some posts over here. These are the respective posts of the respective users. Yeah, I can like this post. I can like this post also. I can like this post also. So you can like those posts. And now if you want to go for the user profile, let me go with this Yorker King. So you can see his profile. He has 2 posts and 1 like, and there's 1 post here, 1 post here. Okay, you can also post a message on this user's profile. Let's say, hey, demo user. Now you can see that my message now comes up on his profile. It says my email ID and my pic. You can now like again. I can like this post. So yeah, if this person wants that nobody can post on my profile. So in that case, this Rohit Sharma or this person has a functionality button. This you can just directly disallow from users to post anything on your profile. Now let me show you this functionality. I have to log out first and just directly uh, log in with my another account. Yeah, I'm logged in and I search for the user, and that user is Rohit Sharma. Now you can see that this person does not allow anyone to post on his profile. So this is the functionality I have put, mm, considering the privacy. So yeah, this is all about. So if you want to add a quick post on your profile, you can use this plus button, a kind of shortcut. It will open up a modal. You can write anything. This, let's say, a new post. Okay, and you can submit it. Now it says a post is submitted, and now you can see on your profile as this the new post. It will come up on your profile. Yeah, this is also a one handy shortcut. So now what if you want to see the post and to search for the users, but don't want to sign up or log in this website? Okay, so for this I have a functionality. Let me explore. Yeah. This will redirect you to the explore page. Here you can see all the users and all the posts that has been added till now. Okay, now what if you want to like someone's post? I want to like this post. So it is saying you must be in logged in state to perform this action. It means you have to be in logged in state. You have to be in sign in state to perform this like action. Without sign in state, you cannot like this anyone's profile or anyone's post. You must be in logged in state. So yeah, this is it. This is the pretty much basic app. This app, in future I want to add some chat functionality. It means whenever you want to chat with some persons, you just directly go for the person's profile, and here you will see a chat button. You can chat with that person. I want to add a functionality for like and follow. Okay, as Instagram or any other social. Yeah, these are the two three basic things I want to add in future. So yeah, this is it. Mm, this is it. Thank you for joining. Thanks a lot. Have a great day ahead.